Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have the iconic 1968 Dodge Charger. It has just gone through a rotisserie restoration and it is fresh. Everything has been replaced or refinished on this car. It features the 440 big block V8 engine, the Torqueflite automatic, and this one is painted in gray metallic on black interior. All right, we'll start here at the rear. We'll get a good in-depth view of everything on this car. So here's underneath your trunk lid. It's all nicely painted. Inside the trunk, massive trunks on these Chargers. You can see we have some documentation here about sales brochures of the car. In this box here, we have all kinds of receipts for the restoration. Numerous things have been done. We have the inner fenders there. Nice trunk mat here, and I'm just going to lift this up here. You can see it's all painted, it's all solid, all brand new. The pans have been replaced. We have the spare tire in here, the Magnum 500 with a brand new BF Goodrich tire. And then over here, you can see it's all nice and clean. We'll close the trunk lid. Closes nicely. We'll zoom out here. You can see the roof there. There's your window. All the glass in this car looks great. You can see the beautiful fastback design with the roof line there on these 68 Chargers. And then you can see the paint, how great it is. Here's the Bumblebee stripe in black, and this is painted on. Iconic 68 turn signal there, 1 year only. And here's your tail panel. Look at these beautiful tail lights. It's just gorgeous. Back here, I'll show you this side here. Bumpers all look great. It's got the dual exhaust with the correct tips. And yes, we know it is missing the Charger badge in the rear here. We're gonna put that on, it's just on order. Okay, down here, let's take a look underneath. Everything is new under here. You can see how nicely detailed it is. New fuel tank, new brakes, new lines, new suspension, dual exhaust there. It's got Dynomax mufflers. We also have a 68 plate there. That's just for nostalgia. That will come with the car as well. Come down here again. You see the rear end. Let's check out the wheels next. So we've got brand new Magnum 500s with 15-inch rims. So it's the rear tire size is a 275 60 R15. So a nice wide tire in the rear, and you can see the dish is dished out there. How's that wide tire? Let's check out the front tire next. So we got a 235 60 R15 in the front. So we got nice staggered wheel design. They look great on these old muscle cars. Inside in the fender wells is all nice and clean as well. Let's make our way to the interior and we'll take a look more of the undercarriage. So here we got the nice black interior. Charger gets the nice upgraded interior over the other muscle cars. So we got the Charger badge there. Here's your window crank. Let's crank that down. Again, the glass is nice. It rolls down nicely. We got the vent windows there. There's your armrests and the pockets. Let's take a look at the dash next. So the dash is nicely painted. The dash pad looks great. Let's take a look in the glove compartment here. We have the MSD box in there, mounted safely. Here's your door jambs, your kick plate down there, all nice down there. Let's take a look underneath the door as well. You can see everything is solid, all new weather stripping as well. We'll take a look at the rear seat here next. So everything has been replaced here, looks great. There's your package tray there. Headliner new, and it's nice and tight. Light works. Here's the rear seat, or front seat from the rear. It's got the console in this one here. We'll flip that back here. Let's check out the mats. So we got the nice Charger embroidered mats, all new carpet as well. Here's your bucket seats. And we'll scan that. And here's your console. Goes all the way across with the light there. Close that door. And I'm going to show you the profile back here. So there's your stripes. And here's your beautiful body lines here. We got the Charger script right there. There's your roof. Paint looks wonderful. Again, the glass is great as well. The brakework trim, all have been replaced or refinished. A little patina there. That's not much to complain about. Wow. Here we got door handles looking great. And this is one of my favorite body lines. I'm gonna come back down here. I wanna show you this. Show you how wide the fenders come out here in the rear as opposed to the front. The Coke bottle shape, as they called them. And down here, let's check out underneath here. You see all the floor pans have been replaced. Looking great. All right, let's make our way to the engine. Again, circular turn signals. And let's take a look. So underneath the hood here, all painted, there's your hood insulation. And then here it is, the iconic 440 Magnum engine. Now this one has been built, so it's just been built up now. So it made 520 horsepower on the dyno with 568 pound-feet of torque. So it is a monster. It's got the MSD Pro Billet distributor, so the MSD ignition. We got the Holley carburetor down there, 4-barrel, and Edelbrock Torker 2 440 intake, high-rise intake. We got the aluminum radiator, so it runs cool. It's got a clutch fan as well. Power steering and power brakes. The front brakes are disc brakes as well, so that's been upgraded. We'll close the hood next. Let's take a look back here. Look at that, 68 grille goes all the way across. It looks great. It's got the flip up headlights. I'll show you them in a bit. The Charger script, and we have the RT badging. So this was originally a 383 car, but when it was reborn, restored, we made it got made into the iconic RT Tribute. Everything's great under there. Let's take a look at the hood now. Again, the body lines are so nice on these cars. It's got the signals built on the hood there as well. And we'll check out the wheels on this side. So this is just a fresh car. And we'll make our way back to the door panel. So same as the other side. I'm gonna put the window down here. And I'm gonna put the rear window down next. You can see that this goes down as well. And I'm gonna give it a door to close here. It closes nicely, and you can see there's no post here. So with the windows down, you got that real nice hardtop experience. Okay, opening this door back up again. Here is your jams there. And I'll recline the seat here. I'll show you back here. We got all the seat belts as well back there. I'll show you underneath the door panel, our door here. Here's your jams, your kick plate down there. And we got the deluxe pedals here. Again, the carpeted mats with the Charger script. Here's your bucket seat. I'll scan that there. And show you that this beautiful console here. It goes all the way across. It's got the automatic shifter there. And we'll climb in the car next. Okay, we got this nice steering wheel here. It's a 3-spoke with the Mopar horn. It honks there. We'll close it up the door here. Dash has all been redone. It has Dakota digital gauges. We have not set it up yet. We're going to do that, but it will function better than it did from the factory with this setup. Lights here, the flip-up lights are electric, so they're nice and quick. They go at the same speed, so there's no lazy eye. Again, here's your tach, speedometer, and we got the other gauges here, the rally dash. Here's your radio there, and I guess we'll start it up. Let's grab the key here. We'll put it in here. All right, it fires right up. Again, you see the gauges working there, so here's your tach working. We have the daytime night mirror. We've got the visors up here. They stayed nice and tight up there, and again, the headliner looks great there. Let's open up the door now, and let's give it a couple revs. All right, this thing has some power. Ready? And watch the car rock. One more time. Wow, this thing sounds amazing. All right, we'll walk around the car. Oh, I want to put the lights on. Let's flick the lights here. And I'll put the high beams on as well, so we get the full effect. Coming back here, you can see the signal. I'm going to show you the gas cap here, the fuel door. That looks like new as well. Now look at these lights coming on now. Hear that exhaust idle there? Wow, nothing like an old big block. Right away to the front. Just a gorgeous car. Arguably the nicest gear charger, second gear charger that did so well. There's your headlights, so you get the dual headlights. They flipped up nice. Alright, so here we have it. This is a 1968 Dodge Charger with a rotisserie restoration. It's got the 440 Magnum big block V8, 3-speed Torqueflite automatic, and it's painted in gray metallic with a black interior. This is here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.